Sorry to
Birds.
disturb your music, but we think you'll like what you're about to hear. At Graze.com, we're
They are
reinventing snacking and would love for you to
huge.
try one of our delicious snack boxes for free by clicking on the banner
That's.
now. Choose from over 90 snack creations, such as our
I don't think
whole
you can
grain
see them
banana
the way I
shortbread
can see them,
dippers
but
with caramel
dude,
sauce
they
or
are
our delectable chili
huge.
and honey almonds. Each box is handpicked and mailed to your work or home. Click on the banner now to claim your
They
first
just
box for
pigging
free.
out, having a good old time. Bagheera's face. He's like, I want that. I'm gonna get him. Lasers locked. Dude, like, they're huge. I want to say they're ravens. Or maybe this is like what an actual crow looks like. I don't even know. All I know is these birds are huge. And I think they are absolutely beautiful and adorable. They're black and they are beautiful. Holy cow, man.